The highly anticipated mid-weight bikes of 2021, the Triumph Trident 660 and the Yamaha MT-07. In today's video, I'm going to go over 3 main reasons why the Trident is a better purchase for me than the MT-07. As a Yamaha fanboy myself, I can say that it was a little bit disappointing to see the changes on the MT-07 this year. Stick around to the end of this video, maybe you can decide which bike is the better choice for you. Although the Trident is the highest price within all its competitors, the overall performance and the technology that Triumph has on the Trident outweighs all the other bikes in its class. Since the Trident is a brand new line from Triumph, you won't be able to find a second-hand option in the market, where the MT-07 is widely available if you're on a budget and don't want to spend more than you can afford. So first we have the looks. The style of the bike is really important to me. This determines whether I end up buying the bike or not. And I think Triumph did a really good job on the overall looks, going for the retro street bike style to appeal to new and old riders. The front end LED headlight and indicator looks absolutely stunning with the overall fit. They have also cleaned up the tail lights, going for that distinctive minimalistic look. The Trident is available in 4 different colors: Silver Ice Diablo, Crystal White, Matte Black, and Sapphire Black. For the Yamaha MT-07, I do love the sharp, sporty, futuristic look that they have. Regardless of that, it comes with 3 different colors: Storm Fluo, Matte Black, and Yamaha Blue. When I first saw the new signature color update for 2021, I was not too intrigued as I liked the previous version better. Next up, we have performance. On the Trident, we have the new 660 triple-cylinder engine producing 47 pound peak torque and 81 horsepower, whereas the MT-07 has a 689cc twin-cylinder engine producing 50 pound peak torque and 74 horsepower. If you're looking for a more fun and playful bike, you probably want to get the MT-07. As a rider myself, I enjoy a more comfortable ride with just enough power to get to anywhere and have fun. So the Trident is a better choice for me, and because of its new technology as well. Both the Trident and MT-07 is agile and easy to handle. Both equipped with Michelin Row 5 tires, which is an all-purpose sporting tire for all conditions on the road. Another update both Triumph and Yamaha did is to their handlebars, making it wider for more comfortable upright riding position. Moving on to technology. The class-leading setup on the Trident includes TFT instruments, LED lighting, 2 riding modes, ABS, and switchable traction control. You're most likely not going to see these type of tech on a lower priced bike. All these new tech has for sure caught my attention on owning a Triumph. I also love the new dashboard on the Trident. Easy to read and minimalistic. Compared to the MT-07, for the past years, Yamaha has decided not to have major updates on their tech side of things. This was just another anticipation I had, hoping that they would bring out more features than their previous model. In conclusion, the Trident has outperformed most aspects of the MT-07. If you're a new rider or wanting to pick up a second bike, either of these 2 bikes would be a great option. But again, if you don't have the budget for a brand new bike, there's plenty of second-hand options in the midweight class. As always, thank you for watching, and let me know what you think about these 2 bikes. Which one would you rather get? What do you like and dislike about them? And I'll see you in the next video.